Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make vanilla ice creams with no cream nor condensed milk. Very easy and delicious recipe, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of wheat flour and half cup of milk. Mix it well and make sure it's lump free. It's nicely mixed now, so keep it aside. To a pan, add 750 ml of milk. Keep the flame in medium and mix it well. When the milk comes to a boil, add 3/4 cup of sugar. Mix well until the sugar is completely dissolved. Now the sugar has completely dissolved, so go ahead and add the wheat mixture. Mix it well until it becomes nice and thick. Now it's nice and thick, so off the flame and allow it to cool completely. Now transfer it to a mixie jar. To this, add a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now blend this well. Transfer it to ice cream cups and seal it with a cling wrap. Refrigerate for 8 hours. It's been 8 hours now, so let's unwrap the cling film. Now your delicious vanilla ice cream is ready to serve. Enjoy it right away. Very easy and delicious recipe, so do try this recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit our Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to our Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.